Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download GTA Vice City for free on your PC or laptop. So first things first, open any browser that you like and search for Steam Download. Click on the first result that shows up and then press the Install Steam button. And once it's finished downloading, go ahead and install it on your device. And then after that, open up Steam. And then it's going to ask you to log in. So if you already have an account, just sign in. If not, go ahead and create a new one. It only takes a few minutes. So I couldn't log in right now because I ran into a little issue. So I will just guide you through what to do next. And then once you're in, go to the Steam homepage and use the search bar to type in GTA Vice City. Click on the game when it pops up. And then now on the games page, scroll down, click the add to cart button, then hit view cart. And then after that, click on proceed to check out. And then choose your payment option. Then fill out your billing info and hit continue. Then after the payment is done, go to your library, click on the home section, and then you'll find GTA Vice City right there. So just press install and then the game will start downloading. And that's it. That's how you get GTA Vice City for free on your PC or laptop. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.